Before you begin, you will need to crochet a foundation chain to the desired length plus 1 extra chain. So to begin, skip that first chain from your crochet hook. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. Yarn over and pull back through. There are now 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both of those loops. This creates your first single crochet. Let's try another one. To remember, insert your hook in that next chain stitch. Yarn over and pull back through that stitch. Now 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Perfect! So continue crocheting 1 single crochet in every chain all the way across towards the end of this row. Once you have reached the end of row 1, turn your crochet in the opposite direction. Ready to begin the second row. To begin the second row, make 1 chain stitch. So yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. This chain is called the turning chain, and it brings the work up to the height of the single crochet stitch that will follow. Now you will want to crochet the first single crochet into the top of the first stitch in the row below. Be sure to insert the hook under both legs of the V of the stitch. Yarn over and pull back through that stitch. 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through both of those loops. There you go! Just take a tiny bit of practice. Let's try another single crochet, shall we? So remember, you will want to insert your crochet hook. You will want to yarn over and pull back through that stitch. 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over and pull back through both of those loops. There you go! So continue crocheting 1 single crochet into every stitch all the way across towards the end of row 2. Once you reach the end of row 2, continue repeating row 2 until you have reached your desired length. The single crochet is the most basic crochet stitch for making any project. All of the stitches are variations on this one. This little crochet stitch creates a tightened fabric. You can use the stitch over and over again alone or in combination with many other stitches to create dozens of beautifully simple designs.